Hello, welcome to IM Labs. Today in this video I'll discuss about Cisco Packet Tracer. So our content are what is Packet Tracer, need of Packet Tracer, download and installing Packet Tracer. What is Packet Tracer? Cisco Packet Tracer created by Cisco Systems is a simulation tool that allows us to logically create a network topology without implementing it physically. It can be used to understand all the basic concepts of computer networking, mainly CCNA. You can also use it to make simple and complex network topologies as well. Need a packet tracer. Real Cisco devices like routers and switches are very expensive, and normally students cannot buy those just to practice. With the help of Cisco Packet Tracer, students can create, configure, and troubleshoot a network with almost unlimited devices. Now I'll show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. So in Google, we can search for Cisco Packet Tracer download. So there is a website known as NetAcad. So there is a website known as NetAcad from where we can download Cisco Packet Tracer. Here we have to just fill up this form, like sign up today. Click on sign up today, and we have to follow this. We have to fill up this form and then submit. And they will give you an option to download Cisco Packet Tracer according to system configuration. And after downloading, you can install it. As I have already downloaded it, so I will just install it. Click on finish. Here we need to click on continue as a guest. Close the browser. Wait for a few seconds. Then confirm guest. So this is the environment where we can practice our networking skill and we can logically implement network. So let me give you a brief description. So this are the networking devices and this is routers. These are the routers. These are the switches. These all are the hubs. These are the wireless devices. This is for firewall and it's a WAN emulation. Okay. So and these all are the end devices. These are the components. These all are the cables. Okay, like it's a different kind of cables which we need to connect different kind of devices. And this one is the auto cable or automatically it automatically choose that with what kind of cable it should connect to the end devices or devices. So let us create a network and give you an example. So here I will take a 2911 router and 2960 switch, and I will take to end device and I will connect them automatically. Now I need to configure router and end devices. So at first I will enable the router. For enabling, I will need to click on router, then CLI. Here we have to write no, then enter. To enable the router, we need to give a command en. Then we need to enter the configure terminal mode. And here we need to check the interface. So the interface which is connected with is gig 0/1. So the command will be int gig 0/0. Sorry, let me check once. Yeah, it's a 0/0. Here I need to give some IP address. There is a command for no shutdown, no sh, and I will exit the interface. Okay, now I will configure a DHCP pool. And the network I need to provide is 192.168.10.0 and the subnet mask, then default router or gateway. Okay, then exit. So I need to change the IP configuration of the system in dynamic IP. Click on the end devices, then desktop, then IP configuration. Click on DHCP. So now I will send packets. See, it is showing that the packets are successful. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, and share our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.